Alright guys, we're here. It's the area of the ocean where the fishes lives.
Oh boy, I've been waiting for this moment to come. I wonder what type of fish are in the water?
We'll have to wait to see what is in there.
Let's grab our fishing rods and get prepared to catch those fishes.
So, I think we wait for any fish to get into the net.
Looks like we should. This could take a while, but we are good at being patient.
Hopefully we can.
5 minutes later.
Guess Puppycorn fell asleep. Those fishes should be coming up about now.
I think I got a fish. Yeah, it is a fish.
Wake up, Puppycorn. You might have caught one. Wait, what? I think I might. Jackpot. That sleeping was worth this.
Looks like it's just us two, Lil'Petey.
You could be next, Dr. Fox.
Indeed I am. Which makes you the last one.
Yay, 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 yay. I think I caught a fish. What the? This is a boot, not a fish.
Now that might be a real fish.
Hopefully it is. Yahoo! It is a fish. Now all of us have caught fishes.
I also brought a bucket that can hold our fishes.
Oh man, this is such a successful fishing trip in the ocean.
It was. It sure was, little bro.